Hello everyone, this is Karen from Foshan Landpack machinery. Today I would like to show you how to use the multi-head grader. Now we would like to go into the touchscreen. This is the controller of the whole machine. You can control all the parts over here. First, we would like to change the language over here. They have several languages you can choose. And as the first choice, we will choose English. And now we need to go inside the system. On the main page, now we will like to go inside the program setup in here. You can set your first program in here. We can name it in number 1, and then you can name the product over here. Something like the bean or something like the dry food, or it's okay. And then the speed can be set in here. And the most important thing is in here, the target weight. You can change the target weight over here. Like right now you want to pack the 15 gram over here. Just enter. And then here is the upper weight and the lower weight. The accuracy you can accept over here. And now I would like to show you how to maintain the accuracy of the machine. It is these two parameters, the main amplitude and the liar amplitude. Here is to set the amplitude or vibration amplitude of the machine. Here is the main one. You can set this one to make sure that how many product will feeding into each hopper, and also can set this one. They can combine, and then you can make sure the machine can to set the machine in higher speed or lower speed about the accuracy. And about the other parameter, we will set before send out to you. There's no need to set anymore. When all is okay, you can go into the main page and then run the machine. Go inside this page and run the machine. Here will show that there will have the program number in program 1. And you can have different programs in here. Like if you want to use this program, you can just set it, and over here, it will in the number 2 program number 2, and then go inside here, run the machine. Here, it will go inside the number 2. And now I would like to show you how to set the menu text in here. See, go inside here. You can choose which one you want to setting. When it go into red, it means that it was being chosen, and then you can clean it, like the clean up the feeding hopper or the weighing hopper. You can choose to clean it. Or you can, if you want to choose all the weighter, here select all, and then all will in red. Or you only want to choose the number 9 and just set this, and then it's okay. And also there will have a texting of the main vibration part in here. Choose all, and then you can set this parameter over here. And there will also have an option for the collection hopper. If you choose to have the collection hopper, you can set it over here.